Welcome to the channel, guys. It is beginning to be mowing season. So we have already done all the service as far as changing the oil and everything on this mower, greasing everything up. Now I do want to jazz this thing up a little bit. So this obviously is a little bit of an older mower. So I'd like to upgrade some things on this. As far as the wheel, my seat is also ripped up, so we'll see if we can get a cover for this. Now this is the Lesco 54-inch. Some of your Cub Cadets, the tanks, are the exact same mowers. So here's what I have. Some hubcaps or wheel covers for this mower. Great product. It's kind of hard to find to begin with, but they are out there. I will leave links to this in the description for you. Now on my mower, the rear happens to be 12-inch wheels and the fronts are 6-inch wheels. Now these things are available in different sizes. So you obviously want to get the correct size. Best way, you can either measure it with a tape measure, or if you look at the tire size itself, that will give you the wheel size. The last number being 12 on this, it's a 12-inch wheel. And again, on mine, the fronts happen to be 6-inch. Some are different. Like I said, they are available in different sizes. Now these things are just held on by clips onto the wheel. Super easy to put on. Obviously there is a hole for the tire valve, so you can adjust the tire pressure. So let's get these on and see how they look. So here we have all the covers on all the wheels, including the fronts. Now with the fronts, obviously you do have to remove the wheel and tire to get the cover to go on. But they come out looking super nice. One thing I should have done was bought another set so you can put them on both sides of these wheels, being that the front wheels on the zero-turn are casters. So I may yet do that, but I think this upgraded the mower quite a bit. They look really nice, easy to put on, and it just gives it a little bit of an updated look. I also did install some center covers on these. These are kind of just peel and stick 3D style. Of course, they are available in many different colors and designs. And again, they are just peel and stick. I was trying to get something in green, but there was just nothing that I liked. I tried to have these custom done in green, but I think that that looks pretty good. So overall, there's plenty more we're going to be doing. Now my seat's a little ripped up. I tried sewing it and putting some stuff on it. But I think we'll try maybe a different cover on it, possibly. Or I have another seat here we might put on this thing. So stay tuned. We're going to be doing some more upgrades on this. I will leave links to these parts in the description for you. I thank you for watching.